Dr. Ujjwala Shinde. Definitely, I don't require to tell you. Everyone knows about this, but then also I'll tell you it's really working very nicely, and definitely everyone should take it. It's like a general health tonic, and it helps the body improvements. It increase the energetic level of the body, and what else? Dr. Rachna Janote. It's very much essential for body, like for good lipid profile to maintain, normally HDL, LDL, two things are considered. For good cholesterol, that's HDL. This omega-3 fatty acids are very important. And in many natural products also we find this. But in some conditions where they're not natural products, we don't consume that. That time we have to take it artificially in the form of capsules or tablets or any other, natural products. But you should take that. That's good for health.
Dr. Vilas Wade. It is a very good part of our nutrition. It is important in the avoiding the aging, even chronic illnesses like osteoarthritis, cataract, even dementia also. It helps in the keeping the body totally fit also for the regeneration, and it also keep your memory also intact. It also helps in the avoiding the cataract and skin disease also, and it's really beneficial to avoid the coronary heart disease and atherosclerosis, and also important in the joint disease also. It's very good, and it should be given to the every patient till the he requires. So and it should be considered as a daily supplement of our food.
Dr. Tarak Mehta. Omega-3 is a good drug for reducing cholesterol, as well as for those patients who are having obesity, as well as hypertension with obesity. It's a good drug. Alsi is a very natural source of it, and I generally not prescribe, but advise my patients to take Alsi, Pak seeds for omega-3.
Dr. Meera Bhumkar. Omega-3 च्या यूजमुळे फॅट्स कमी होतात, कोलेस्ट्रॉल कमी होतं, ओबेसिटी मेनली रिकवर साठी आणि हार्टला युजफुल होतं omega-3.
This is one type of a vitamin which we can use in the pregnancy as well as in the lady who's getting in a very low the masturbation period and all those things, and that we can use the omega-3 very well. So it is very good in the health and as well as in the progress of the life and the wealth of the baby.
Yeah, it is very useful for old age persons, especially CAD, diabetic patients. After 60, it is advisable to take each and every patient. Especially, I used to prescribe in diabetic, cardiac patient, omega-3 fatty acid, and it is very good for anti-aging also.
फैटी एसिड को कम करने के लिए इसका सबसे ज्यादा यूज होता है. इससे फैट करीब 1-2 महीने में 2-3 kg के आसपास वेट घट जाए.
Omega-3 fatty acids is generally used for heart ailments to preventive care for heart problems, and generally all the fatty acids are required for well-being of the heart.
Omega-3 fatty acids have got so many benefits for the recovery of the health. It shortens the recovery time for the fatigue muscle after exertion. It increases the body's production of energy and increases the stamina. It accelerates the healing of sprain. It eases weight loss in people affected with the obesity.
It improves eyesight. I am indicating in dyslipidemia.
Omega-3 is very useful in cholesterol, for hypercholesterolemia, but I mainly use it for acne, in the treatment of acne. These are the two indications I use. Sometimes in general weakness and all that, It's anti-aging also. In old people it helps quite a lot,
There is this production of energy and stamina.
It's a very effective medicine, and mainly it is effective in obesity, cholesterol, very effective and useful. People should use it, I think.
Dr. R.D. Yadav. It can improve every sight and perception of colors.
Dr. Sunit Shende, MD Ayurveda, Kharghar, Navi Mumbai. Omega-3 is a natural which is useful for reducing the fats or atherosclerosis. Means it is useful in the hyperlipidemia in case of hyperlipidemia.
Dr. Vishali Divekar. It gives a very good effect on the anti-cancerous. Means you can develop your lifestyle.
Dr. Vinod Mishra. Basically, it works as a very good agent as a heart patient with diabetic, old diabetic skin also.
Dr. Brajesh Mishra. Yeah, it's immunomodulator, and it works in many diseases like diabetic foot, gangrenes, and so many degenerative processes also.
Dr. Yogesh Sharma is a fatty acid. Heart का जो रिस्क होता है उसको कम करता है, इसकी वजह से उसका बेनिफिट
हमारे हार्ट पे होता है।
Dr. Sunita Chai, give the stamina and reduce the cholesterol.
My name is Dr. Santosh Dave. Omega-3 is a very good antioxidant and it is improve our immunity and it keep away from various disease.
Dr. Rita Shah. Yeah, it has got a rejuvenating capacity. It has got anti-lipid also and it is anti-aging also.
Dr. B.K. Vinci. It is generally used for the lower the lipid profiles and it is a very good cardioprotective substance.
Dr. Ashok P. Sangvi. Omega-3 is helpful in preventing cardiovascular disease. It helps in type 2 diabetes. It helps in as a neuroprotector in neurovascular disease. It helps to reduce the stress. It helps in GI disease.
My name is Dr. Ashok Kulkarni. I am practicing at Virar West. It's very good for health, your arteries, your joints, your heart and so many organs. Reduces your homocysteine level, reduces your cholesterol, reduces your inflammation of joints and so many things.
Dr. Shanti Jani, omega-3 helps to our immunity system. It helps also in cardiovascular any disease and also in memory, increase your memory. I am Dr. Gauri Dubey. It is helpful for our immunity system. Skin disease, hair fall, heart disease, arthritis.
Myself, Dr. Vinay Jha. I am Joint Secretary of Islamic Ayurvedic Practice. Omega-3 medicine, it is antioxidant, it's work on fats, it's give energy, multivitamin.
I am the Dean of the YMT Ayurvedic College, Kharghar, Navi Mumbai. Omega-3 is a fatty acid which is required for maintenance of cholesterol and prevention of heart attacks because of the atherosclerosis. It is also essential for the pregnant ladies.
Dr. Anju Chetia, omega-3 are the fatty globules which are very necessary for our body.
पूर्णिमा सुधीर बिडिए मेंटेन कोलेस्ट्रॉल मेंटेन रहता है, फैट्स मेंटेन रहता है, हेयर फॉल का जो है वो भी मेंटेन रहती है, बॉडी फुल मेंटेन रहती है.
Dikti Goimawala is good for health, reduce cholesterol, good health, immunity power.
I am Dr. V. Ubare. It accelerates the healing of the brain.
Dr. Yogesh Bodke. It decreases the level of lipid level as well as cholesterol level.
Dr. G.B. Kursi, omega-3. It is very useful in cholesterol patient, cardiac patient, diabetic with high blood pressure.
It is for fat control and it lowers the cholesterol level and controls also.
Dr. Pradeep Pathak, President of Vasi Medical Association, Ayurvedic branch. It relieves paining for arthritis disorder.
Dr. Anil Pandey. It is antioxidant as well as anti-aging agent. It's very good for maintaining health and all. So it prevents from getting wrinkles and all, early old age and all. Prevent it.
My name is Dr. Amit Kumar. Omega-3 acids, its benefit is it reduces the muscles fatigueness and it reduces the strain and it helps in the daily workout for muscle spasm and everything. It helps it.
It reduces the cholesterol. It is useful in as a stamina and for fatigue.
Dr. Vinod Pandey. Omega-3 fatty acid reduces the cardiac disease like heart and all. And it is also, it boosts the immunity and it is very good for health and all. It is also act as antioxidant and all.
Dr. Atul Choksiya is useful in cholesterol also as well as the fatty persons. It reduces the weight also. With that, it's a better advantage for that.
I'm Dr. Naveen Arjunwat. It is supposed to reduce blood pressure and even reduce cholesterol and lipids. So it would help in cardiovascular diseases. And alpha-linolenic acid or omega-3 is supposed to be a vitamin supplement. So it could be a diet called a dietary supplement, and it is effective in reducing the complications of cardiovascular disease.
Dr. Pallavi Patankar, I am an obesity consultant. We generally advise omega-3.
I am Dr. Tarar. But in those who are fatty patients and it's a higher lipids, it is very good in decreasing the lipids, especially triglyceride. And second is in diabetic patients and plus cardiac patients. It works very wonderfully. And third is for weight reduction also. saves.
I'm Dr. Dinesh Hingu. See, omega-3 fatty acid is an extraordinary medicine to reduce any type of skin problems basically. Also, it's an extraordinary medicine to reduce the dry skin of the body. Dr. C.Y. Saman. Omega-3 is especially used for reducing the weight, obesity. It is based for even the internal flora that gets nourished with the omega.
I'm Dr. Dhaval Pandya. In fact, omega-3 fatty acid positive effect on our body since from head to toe. Okay, in all the system it works, but my favorite system, what I have got the best result on, that's the cardiovascular system, particularly hypertension and lipid profiles. Also, so many patients I have seen a lot of benefits out of that. In ladies, I have seen premenstrual syndrome, even post-menopausal ladies also I have seen, it gives very good results. It works on so many places like arthritis status, osteoarthritis also is given good results. Even some of the even giants patients also it can be used this and we get good result out of this. Yes, it's at least cardiovascular system wise I am very happy. It works excellently.
I'm Dr. Alkatara and I'm a president of Mira Road Medical Practitioners Association. The females, especially the pregnant females, because it helps a lot for the female patients when they are pregnant for the growth of the child. It has been seen and proved that with the use of omega-3, the child intelligence levels or their other, what we can say, organs or parts of the body, they show more good changes in the body, and it's very helpful in day-to-day life for the females who are pregnant also.